This will be another elevator at the Denver Union Station, Denver, Colorado. Here's the University of Colorado A-Line RTD train for TKE Fan 29. Cross solely designated crossings. Got an elevator over here. Or what type it is. Union Station. There's a beautiful nighttime look of Denver. Denver's got amazing night. Oh, I see where this goes. Oh, looks like substantially bigger. Dad, this goes to the bus concourse. Here it is. Chime doesn't work. Car number 8. Let's go to LL. Door close button does. Oh, it did work. Flash out the window. Here's our Amtrak train. This is the bus concourse. Oh, another elevator. Let's see. What? G. We'll take a ride back up.
You want to go over on that one?
Yeah, we'll get off down. We'll get off down here if we go up to G. Just like all the other ones. HC rail resistant, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone, 4,000 pound capacity. Let's watch the ropes this time. Watch the ropes. Very fast for 2 stories. Here you are at LL.
I'll put the other one.
Watch the door closed. Going up?
Yeah.